Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Saeed Hassan Ahmadani, and this is my very first YouTube video, a journey we begin together, not just with words, but with purpose. Today, we talk about something that touches every one of us, whether we realize it or not, sales. But this isn't about pressure or manipulation. It's belief. You have to believe in what you're offering. First, understand your audience. Don't just sell blindly. The world needs your ideas, your passion, your voice. So ask yourself, what's one small goal you can set today in your sales journey? Share it in the comments below. And if you felt this message today, like, subscribe, and tap the bell. This is just the beginning of something amazing. Know their dreams, their pain, their fears. Speak to them, not at them. Second, listen more than you talk. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Ask questions. Pay attention. Build trust. Third, follow up from the heart. Don't chase just for the sale check-in to show you care. Build relationships, not transactions. If you don't believe in it, why would anyone else? Speak with conviction. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And always remember, keep pushing, keep selling, and most of all, keep shining. Stand tall in your truth. Early on, I had doubts too. I questioned myself, my message, my path. But once I started to believe in the value I brought, once I shared it with passion, everything shifted. People didn't just listen, they connected. They bought into me. This is about unlocking something deep inside you, the power to communicate your dreams, your ideas, and your worth to the world. Sales is everywhere. It's in every job interview, every conversation where you pitch an idea, every time you try to inspire someone. The best entrepreneurs, the most followed influencers. Believe me, I've felt it too. The fear of rejection. The thought, I'm not a natural, what if they say no? But here's what I've learned. Every rejection isn't a failure. It's proof you had the courage to try. Every no makes you stronger, more resilient, more fearless. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Maybe today is the day you reach out to one person, just one. Tell them about your service, your dream, your idea. That's where confidence is born, in action, not waiting. The strongest leaders, they all mastered one thing. The ability to sell with sincerity, not with pushiness, with trust, with truth. Every yes you get brings you one step closer to the life you're trying to build. And that is powerful. I know it's scary. There's one key that changes everything. Ask yourself this. What do you truly believe in? What's the one thing you'd stand up for? Even if no one clapped, that's your message. That's your fire. And when you speak from that place, you won't need to push. People will feel it. Now let me share 3 simple things you can do today that will change the way you sell forever. This is your moment. This is your sign. Whatever you're holding back, start now. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening.